The police need money. Help me.
Put your hands behind your back. You are going to be arrested for fraud.
Please help me and do whatever they say.